Did a biotech firm just resurrect the direwolf? Direwolves have been extinct for 10,000 years. You might know them from Game of Thrones, Follow Me. Now, an American company called Colossal Biosciences says it has recovered DNA from ancient direwolf bones and used that to edit the genome of current gray wolves. The outcome, the firm says, is the birth of 3 direwolf pups, 2 males and a female. But experts are dubious. Ecologist Corey Bradshaw said to Reuters,
don't have the technology to modify entire genomes. We can modify components of genomes, and we can certainly sequence genomes. So, yes, they have slightly genetically modified wolves, maybe. And that's probably the best that you're going to get. And those slight modifications seem to have been derived from retrieved direwolf material. Does that make it a direwolf? No. Does it make a slightly modified gray wolf? Yes. And that's probably about it.
even if someone were able to recreate new dire wolves after all this, while it does not necessarily imply that there would be an existing population of the dogs, it poses some really major questions, as Dr. For Bradshaw comments.
Where do you put them? I mean, this is one thing that seems to be completely lost on the de-extinction people, is that, let's say that even you manage to bring back a sufficient number of mammoths or dire wolves to create a viable population. This is important because you need thousands of completely genetically diverse individuals in a population for having any chance of surviving into the future. The whole Adam and Eve concept of you create two and they can just go on and do their own thing. Now that's called inbreeding depression. And then things die very quickly. Most introductions of most species fail, over 99%. Why? Because there's a few individuals that inbreed themselves out of existence.